everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making McDonald's steak, egg, and cheese bagels. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I repost a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need sirloin steaks, bagels, sliced cheese, eggs, onion, lemon, garlic, butter, mayo, mustard, W sauce, A1 sauce, dried dill, Montreal steak seasoning, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, sugar, and heavy whipping cream. We're going to start by seasoning our steaks on both sides with salt, black pepper, and Montreal steak seasoning. Next, we're going to start on our bagel sauce. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of mustard, a half tablespoon of W sauce, a half tablespoon of A1 sauce, lemon juice from a half a lemon, a half teaspoon of dried dill, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and about a half tablespoon of garlic powder. Mix well. Next, slice a half of white onion. In a bowl, add 4 eggs, season with salt and pepper, and add 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, and mix. Next, spread melted butter on bagels. In a hot cast iron skillet, add olive oil. Sear steaks on both sides. Add about 6 tablespoons of butter and 4 cloves of garlic. Baste the steak with the butter. For a medium well steak, allow the steak to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the steaks are done, allow them to rest for about 10 minutes. While the steaks are resting, you're going to saute your onions. In the same cast iron skillet, add a generous amount of olive oil, add onions, and saute the onions until they are caramelized. Next, in a skillet, add a tablespoon of butter and cook your eggs to your liking. Toast your bagels. Now it's time to form your sandwich. Add bagel sauce, a slice of cheese, steak, eggs, another slice of cheese, onions, and more bagel sauce. Brush the top of your bagel with melted butter. And there you have it, McDonald's steak, egg, and cheese bagel. Once again, we hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Muffins be cooking.